tracking a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing...
Ooh! Please don't be for us. Please don't be for us. Please don't be for us. Probably not, but let's just hope.
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Clare County in central Michigan until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 7 miles southeast of Martyrsville and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. This tornadic storm will be near Leona around 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Long Lake Heights around 9:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Dodge Lake around 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Harrison, Clare, Dodge Lake, Long Lake Heights, Winterfield Township, Franklin Township, Sheridan Township, Leona, Meredith, Browns Corner, Dover. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying objects. Tornadoes are difficult to see at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has